Welcome to the broadcast. This is my first stream, so it's gonna be jank, and I'm not gonna know what I'm gonna do. So today, what I have planned is making sort of an overlay for the stream that displays the current song and the play state, etc. And in the future, the chat will be able to control the songs and recommend songs with redeems and other things. Um, Disclaimer: my English is bad, so I may forget words sometimes, and yeah. So, I'm gonna change the screen. Like that. So this is me. I am me. I am TV with ice and an equalizer. I made in Godot, controlled with face tracking made by myself, so it's a bit scuff, but that's why I am what I have. I also made my custom chat. If someone talks, you're gonna notice. And yeah, so let's get started. So I just got my keys for the Spotify API in before the stream. So we're gonna see what we have to do something with the API. Okay. So what do I want? Create an app, web API, security. Tell me if the song is too loud, please. If someone is there. Okay, so I have that. Use the access token in your... Okay. How do I get the access token? Okay. Yes. How? Request an access token. Okay. Um... So API... Okay. API... That's weird. So this one is api.spotify.com for the requests and everything, but only for the getting the access token, it's accounts.spotify. That's weird. Okay, so what do I need? A post request to API token, application encoded, client credentials, and oh, okay, green type, client ID, and client secret. Okay, so I got access token. So I don't get the refresh token on this. Doesn't seem like it. Okay. Um, so I think I will also need the authorization to do like add musics to the queue and everything, because it plays with my account. So we're gonna begin with this. So what do we need? So I am gonna do this in Ruby. Everything like I have a terminal with like a CLI tool I made myself for the stream with all kinds of little tools. So I'm gonna just add Spotify to that. This also controls all the chat and the commands. So what do I need? So I have all these gems installed. Okay, so we're gonna begin here. This is jank, but 5 and 04 is gonna be Spotify, and then 5 is gonna be exit. 5 exit, and 4 Spotify menu. Okay, I should make classes for that. I should. This is the word. I should. I don't want to. I should. Okay, so I'm gonna help myself with this already made. So I'm gonna need a token. Okay. So server Spotify server is gonna be Faraday. So this is a gem used to do requests, HTTP requests to whatever. Basically, this is it. HTTP requests. So I'm just gonna copy this. This is gonna be a lot of copying today. Oh, you don't see. I'm so dumb. Okay. So like that. So this is gonna be when I call this and I do say like do a post, it's gonna go to this address and it's gonna be encoded. So when they want content type application X form on URL encoded, that's what I mean. That's what it does. So now I'm also gonna need Spotify API server. Exactly. Thanks, Copilot. um. So now, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna copy the Twitch menu, I guess. Oh, this is jank. Don't watch. Don't watch. Wait, I'm just gonna delete everything here. Here like that. And then delete all of that. Like that and back. Okay. So, def get API. Okay, so yeah, response equals to Spotify auth server post API token. Do I need a body for that? No, it's a query. So it's gonna be like that. Client, stop doing that. To request. No, actually I don't even need that. just that. Red, just like that. So I'm gonna get a JSON that's gonna look like this. Fuck. It's gonna look like this from Spotify. So I need grant type, client credentials, and client ID and client secret. So client ID, client secret, thanks, Copilot. So this is gonna be that. So my let's just try that. Let's just try that. So get Spotify token here. Wait, how do I do that? How do I proceed? So this program is already running. Wait, no, this is not included. So I'm just gonna do Twitch menu. No, oh fuck, I should change that. It's Spotify menu. So I'm just Spotify menu. Just gonna execute that when it starts. Ugh. Like that. Okay. And then I just need to get my gems to the top. I can erase that. So I need okay. So bundle line, I need that. No, no, no. Yes, I need that. I need also the gem file. And then require already. I think that's it. No, I need to require relative the secrets. The things I don't want to share. So wait, I don't want to show that. Oh, you're not gonna see it anyway. So if I open, yeah, you're gonna see it. I don't. You should see it because it's fuck. I need the word. It's not gonna be fun if you don't see anything, but I don't want to dox myself. Like just give out my API keys or something. So I'm just gonna do a first time, and then I'm just gonna remove the print, and you're just not gonna see it after, but you're gonna see the rest. So like that. Ruby, Spotify CLI, and then get the oh fuck. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so I get the access token expires in and bearer. Okay. This is all working really good. Okay. I'm gonna add something real quick. It's not gonna be long. Gonna add window capture. It's gonna be terminal. I should actually, yeah. What am I gonna do? Cancel that. I'm gonna do right here. Terminal. See, it's gonna be easier. So it's in stream. No, it's not. I'm already in stream, so it's outil. It's in French. Oh. So, wait. I don't want to show it. Okay, so what I get the access token. So token it equals to this. Just gonna check something real quick. Quick end case. Okay, so it's this one. Okay. Okay. So I get the token. That's what I want. So now that I have the token, what can I do with it? Let's go back to the browser like that. Okay. What's happening? I get this. So I get the access token. And then it's gonna be authorization bearer. Okay. Don't care about JavaScript. API calls, get, post, put, delete, blah blah blah. Ooh. That gateway. Not what? Since when do APIs return 300 call? Like, isn't that the 300s for redirecting and things? So it's, yeah, server error, U error, it's good, but then why a redirect? Oh, maybe for the authorization. Authorization refers to a process of granting a user or application access permission to Spotify data and features. Spotify implements the auth. Yes, this is usual. End user correspond to Spotify user and user grant access to protected resource places, playlist, personal information. So what do I want? I want the player. I want the playback state. What do I need for that? Request sample. So I just wait. Oh, okay. So I would only need the token I have right now, not the authorization. But then if I want to skip, okay, yeah. Okay, so I need the authorization. Okay, and then okay. It's like Twitch a bit. So I first get the token, and then I use that to get another token and a refresh token, and then I can just do everything. So okay, I think implicit. No. Okay. It's just I'm gonna read a bit more before choosing what I'm gonna do. Resources determined by one or several scopes. Yeah, exactly like Twitch. Scopes enable your application to access specific functionality, like skip a song in this case. So you need special permissions. So right now I just have an app that have a client token, like client password and client secret, and I can get the that just permits me to use the API. But then if I want to modify or get personal information, like skip a track or get personal playlist, then I need the authorization from myself to do that. So that's what authorization and scopes are for. So the scopes you said during the authorization determines the access permission. Yeah. Requires land credential. You can follow the apps guide to learn how to generate them. I already did that. Once the authorization is granted, yeah, no, I wanted to know how. Okay, so there's different. Yes, and then yeah, but I already have that. I want no. Oh wait. So that's not what I want, I guess. It's authorization code. Oh, that's a bit complicated. I see. Okay. Yes. So I need client ID. Can I use localhost for that? It's gonna be hell if not. Client ID required. Client generated after registering your application. Response type set to code, yeah. Yeah, that's so dumb when they just do, oh, there's a scope, it's called response type, but you can only assign it the value code. So why do I have this field if it's always the same value? If you're wondering why my head is always down, it's because my camera is like really up, like higher than me. So when I'm a little bit like towards the bottom of the screen, it's like if I was staring at the floor or something. So redirect the URI to, so basically when you do that, normally it's used for like a web application. So you're gonna do that and it's gonna automatically send you to the Spotify authorization page, and then you send them a redirect URI, and then it's just gonna come back to that URL when you're done authorizing with Spotify. On time in your mind. Okay, so state optional but strongly recommended. Provides protection against attacks such as cross-site request forgery. But what do I send in that? Well, I'm just gonna ignore it, I guess. Scope optional. Scope. So I'm gonna need that later. Streaming. Controls playback on a Spotify track. The scopes is. Yes, I have that. Spotify Premium. Okay, for later. Show dialog. Whether or not to force the user to approve the app again if they're already done so. Uh, uh, So it's just separated by a space? That's weird. Like with Twitch, it's a plus sign. So you just scope plus scope or something like that. So he redirect URL. Okay. So I'm just gonna send him localhost fucking 3000 or something. Okay. So this is what am I calling? It's accounts .spotify.com. So I'm just gonna re-show code. Okay, so def authorize Spotify. So response equals to Spotify server. This is what? This is what? A post? A get? What is that? A get. It's a get. Get. Authorize. Like that, I guess. Maybe not. Just like that. Okay. And so it's a query. Okay. So I wonder if I can do something like dot params. Yes, that's what I want. So client ID request dot response type code. Yes. Then I need the scope. Oh, or that. And wait. Oh, okay. So I just generate a random string. So request dot params. So this is not gonna be this. It's gonna be first. It's gonna be app remote control. And with the streaming. It's gonna be app remote control and streaming. Okay. And then I need request.params state. Is it state? Yes, state. And it's gonna be, yeah, secure random exodus. Wait, X? I guess. Wait. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna verify something. Secure random alphanumeric. Okay. I'm just gonna do alphanumeric. It's gonna be simpler to read. And this is 16 in the example, so it's gonna be 16 here too. And I think that's it. And what is this gonna send me? Response. So code. Okay, so it's gonna be what? I'm just gonna. So it doesn't need. Does it not need the token I just got? Or not at all? Am I dumb? think I'm done, people. So what? How many things do I need to do? So display scopes, user login, authorize, request access, return access, and refresh tokens. So that's what I'm doing right now. I mean, you don't see, fuck. I need to get used to this. So, wait. Okay. So, I just did this, but then I don't need the token from earlier, I think. That's weird. So there's like two types. You have the choice, basically. So I think I'm just gonna keep the other in case, but uh uh I'm just gonna work on this one. So this is gonna be get Spotify authorized token. So what does this give me? AP response body, I guess. So Ruby Spotify. Oh, 49. What? Oh, haha, forgot a comma. Okay, so I wanted to get this undefined main menu. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna delete the back because fuck off. And then this is gonna be a Karai Spotify gets Spotify menu like that. Okay, scene one, take two. Secure random. I don't have secure random installed, I guess, but I do. I use it right here. Do I not have it? Or not? I don't. That's weird. I just used it in another program yesterday. Like, why does it not exist? Uninitialized constant. Okay, fucking fix, I guess. Copilot, do my job. What the fuck? Okay, just did. What the? It's just rewrote the entire program. The fuck? Okay, like that. Let's try again. What? I just get nothing. Just print me the whole thing. Fuck it. We ball. Show my IP. I don't care. Oh, it's... Huh? Oh, it's a redirect. What? Headers. But then URL. Okay. So if I go there, open invalid redirect URI. I hate this. I knew I would. Okay, so what I am gonna do. So basically what happened is I went to this and it just said, "No, I don't like your your redirect." I just said just like a host. That's what I want. Yeah, it's exactly. So I'm gonna need a Sinatra, I guess. So what am I gonna do here? Use this. Okay. So I'm gonna need open SSL. What am I gonna need? Sinatra contrib, backup, and Webreak. And then Sinatra. Okay. So if I do like this, but I'm gonna do, what port should I do? What rhymes with Spotify? It's 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 this is Spotify. I don't know fucking um so this, and then I need to do something like redirect to print equals. There. It's gonna be happy. Localhost, so Spotify, callback. Is this gonna work? So when I get this, I want to print response dot URL. That's what I want. Okay. Scene one, take three. What the fuck? Okay, undefined method URL. So I'm just gonna get. Fuck, I cleared it. So it's just print response that headers. Then what the fuck did I do? Okay, this is more like it. And then I'm gonna need a location, headers, location, and then print it. So I'm just gonna click on the link. And then, okay, like that. Okay, so get authorized token, go to this. Why invalid redirect? Shit, I hate this. Why? Let's look a bit more at the API, I guess. See if I missed something. Oh, I see. So this URI needs to have been entered in the redirect URI allow list that you specified when you registered your application. So I'm just gonna don't watch it. So dashboard, this, I don't know if it's gonna display something I don't want to. Yeah, exactly. Client ID right there. So the redirect, it's gonna be this. Edit. This one. Add. Okay. So now, if I do the same thing, will it work? No. Why? Maybe I need to save. Dumbass. Fuck it. Again. And again. And again. And again. Oh, I agree. It's made the screen and I tried agree. Okay. So now it didn't show. Okay, yeah. I see the problem here. This. Huh. Okay, let's try this again. Just for the purpose of seeing if this works. So I click on this. Then I go back here. I press enter. So this shouldn't wait for my input anymore. Huh. This is problematic, I guess. So I'm just gonna do it blindly, I guess. So to show, wait, fuck it. Okay. So this is my API key. And yeah. Okay, so it's state. So this I don't really care, I guess. And then what I need is code. So what do I do with this code? Ooh, don't watch, don't watch. So I get the code like this, exactly like this. If the user does not accept your request or if an error has occurred, the response query contain error. Okay. Request an access token. So grant type code. Okay, okay. So this is a multi-step thing. It's gonna be a whole thing just for authentifying. Gosh darn. Okay. How do I get the... I'm so lost. Okay. How do I get the query from a GET request with Sinatra? So I'm gonna just go watch see my code I already did. So, GitHub. Just go to my repos, web page, server, whatever. Where's it? Server. So it's in here. So it's params. Okay, okay, okay. So, token, no. Code is equal to params code. And then I'm just if params And I'm just gonna do this ahead. Params error. Uh, Nil like this. So if there is an error, I just say yeah, print the params error and then break. Can I break? I suppose I can. And yeah, code, and then so I don't need this, I guess. So authorize Spotify. Then this calls this, and then I get the URL. I go authentify on the page. Then it sends a request to my this here. I get the code from that, and then I make another function that goes and get the token. So def get Spotify token code, just like that. And you can't see anything. I always forget. I should put them like in parallel. So like this and this, and then I always show the browser, but then like that. Now you see everything always. Just gonna okay. You have to roll with it. Roll with it. Okay, so what does it look like? So response is equal to, so it's API token. Oh. Okay, so it's a body this time around. And it's a get still. I don't know why. Here. So, okay. So as a header, request dot headers so authorization Okay, sorry for that. If anyone is watching, I'm gonna take a break. I'm just gonna help my parents, and I'm gonna come back so you can enjoy the music. And I'm just gonna be right back. Gonna freeze this like that and be right back. Sorry, that's a bit embarrassing. So I'm finally back. I have helped the parents, and I'm ready to go back to the programming scene on Freeze. By the way, there's comments in the chat to interact with my model. Just, it's free since I don't have the rewards yet. So you can treat me like I'm a dumb fuck. And you can say, it's not the months anymore, but I can be a Rainbow too. I can be Mario Kart mode if I want to. So, where were we? I don't remember. Okay, so okay, I remember now. So authorization, what do I need? Okay, so I need to do something with the base 64. Okay, so so I need to encode. Okay, let's do this. So I think I already did something like this in the OBS, where I needed here where build auth string, that's the one, this one. So base 64 strict encode. Okay, so this one, like that. Is it only that? We're gonna see. Request dot headers content type, just like that. And wait, is it actually? It's no, it's huh. Oh, this is a good one. Listen to this. This is Cassiopeia. I recommend heavily. This is Galactic Funk, the name of the music. Okay, so now I need a body. Wait, do I need a body? Wait, but it's a post request. What do you get if it's a post? I'm getting bamboozled. Oh, okay. Hot option. The fuck? This guy's doing. This is weird. Okay, so it's a post. So my buddy goes here. You know, okay. So body is equals to like this. And it's to JSON. Okay. So now, what do I need in my body? So grant type, authorization code. Exactly, Copilot. You know what I need. It's like you see my screen. You're spying on me. And then code equals code. Obviously, right here. And again, redirect URI. Okay, so this is going to be like this. I hope so. Oh, okay, I see. I'm just gonna do here it's gonna be get specified token, and then here it's gonna be get token due. Okay, I got it. So it's gonna be the body. So the body equals to request that body dot read, and then just gonna do bodies equals to JSON parse body. Okay. Yes. Scope. I don't need the scope. Expires in P expires in body expires in. He knows. He knows me. And then okay. Refresh token. I'm gonna need that. Eventually, I'm gonna move the token part to the my server, so I can just it's gonna run in the background, and just when I need the token, I'm just gonna request the API key to my server. It's way easier like that. Okay, like that. So then I need to say here so Spotify, and then it's gonna be token here. Just gonna like that while I do some shenanigans. Okay. Dashboard. Settings. Edit. It's HTTP localhost 5557/token. Add. Save. And business is business. That's what I'd say. There we go. You can now see again. Ah. So this am I done? So get the current type code redirect authorization content type. This is good. Okay, let's try that. For this occasion only, I will print the token. Actually, no, I'm gonna do the refresh token. That's way better. Refresh token. I'm a genius. So when tree print token, no, refresh token. I just said it. I'm gonna slow down. And gets and Spotify menu. like that. Let's see if this works. No. Where? Okay, here. Again, I'm so dumb. I never learn. And then I need an end. 105. Like God, the end. What? If and do end get to... Am I missing something? When... Oh, here. That's weird. The error is here, but because the end thing is weirdly done with Ruby, the error was there. So it just says basically there's an end missing somewhere. So this should print nil. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, so 1 or 2 just the same thing. 1. Yes, and then as you're gonna see, yeah, this works. So now if I do print token, it didn't work. Nice. Wait, this isn't localhost. Oh, I know why it worked earlier. I know the localhost doesn't work. Wait. So it's not localhost I want. It's... Huh. Okay. So what's the IP of terminal? Host name like this. This is what I want. Okay. There we go. And this is a dashboard again. Dashboard moment. So basically I use Windows web thing Linux. Yes, what I said is makes sense. So it's HTTP like that. Like that. No. Yes. 5557 and then token. And what's the other one? Callback. Like this. Save. So what's happening is I'm running this VM. It's like a VM, but it's not at the same time. And it has its own IP. So when I do localhost, it only searches on my Windows machine, but this is like the Linux. So it's the localhost of Linux is this IP address on my computer. Wait. Let me check something again. Did I copy the right thing? Am I just so dumb? So baby. No, I'm good. I'm good. Everything's good. Okay. So now, still not gonna work because I need to copy it here too. I'm gonna need to change that. I mean, once I get it on the server, it's gonna be better, more stable, less jank. So if we try again, open. Why this can't be reached? Smart comment. Okay, so how about I take this and I put it at the beginning, because maybe it just will work. Maybe it's magic. To some people, it's magic. Coding is magic. So why couldn't it be for me too? Why does it not work? So how about so what do I do now? I need to figure out something, or it's gonna be really boring. What do I do? If I try just to call it like this. This website cannot be reached. How did I reach? So if I do, wait, TP, but it doesn't work. Why? 5557 callback. Just gonna return 200. Like that? I don't know why it doesn't work. Why? I mean, okay. Solution, people. Solutions. We need solutions. Does someone have oh shit, I didn't see. Thank you, Taimichi, for the raid. Hello, Basilia. Yeah, I didn't. Can someone help, actually? I'm doing this Spotify API thing. So basically, I send the Spotify the redirect URL, and then since I'm hosting the server, it's not a server. Hello, Taimichi. Okay, let me get my mind clear. So I send a redirect URL, and then it works, but then it's like it doesn't see. So my server is hosted on a WSL instance on my Windows PC, and then so to get to this website. Thank you I made it myself actually. It's made in Godot, and it's controlled with my own face tracking software. So that's why it's a bit laggy. uh, Basically, have you forwarded the port? So it should have. So when I was working on a little chat app thing, I just wait. Is that one the one? This is the one. I just did that, and I could just go to the web and go to my fucking IP, the right port, and it would just show up. So wait, uh, why doesn't it work? So it does the forwarding automatically. I assume because it always works, but in this case it doesn't work. So maybe I think it's because I'm waiting for an input maybe or something like that. So I'm just gonna isolate the two things. So it's gonna be like it's gonna be fucking jank. Spotify functions, I guess, and just gonna copy the functions like that. But wait, why? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna comment all of this. So now I should only have my server. But then, okay, I'm just gonna do something like a basic thing, like do and return 200 text hello, and then I'm just gonna launch. Oh, so I got something this time. It's wait, it's like everything went through right now. So this is really weird. I just got everything at once. So no method. Okay, so if I just so this worked. So maybe yeah. So it works. So the server part and the functions with the menu and the command line should be separated, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is um what am I gonna do? So this is gonna be on my server. That's what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be a big jank. So first of all, I'm just gonna Ruby CLI. Fucking hell. Chat tracker. I'm having problems everywhere, people. I'm trying to just 1241. This. Why doesn't it work? Undefined method for get Twitch user. Okay, so like that. Problems, people. Problems everywhere. This is gonna open server. Wait, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. Just wait a second, please. Yeah, like that. This is the one I want, but not on top. Okay. So, this is my server, and earlier I did this. So it just uh requests all the tokens from the Twitch API for me. And then when I want something with the CLI I'm doing for the stream, it's just asking to the server the API key basically. So I'm just gonna tmox join thing. So this still works. Fucking okay. So new file, Spotify token automatic, I guess. I say a lot of I guess. I just noticed that. Okay, so Spotify API. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Okay. But it's still gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm just gonna have to do it at launch. So it's all gonna be okay. So I have all this here. I hope so. Like this. And then it's gonna be auth server token refresh token. I don't know if I have. I can't open it. Yeah. Okay. I don't remember where this. Yeah, it's a good music. Okay, so I get the callback. I get everything still. That's what I want to get those. Get those. But then, oh, this is gonna be a mess on the Git. I just remembered. Okay. Um. So tries Spotify. But don't need to print. Yes, I need to. And I get Spotify token. But I don't need this. So I'm just gonna do authorize Spotify like that. And then it's gonna do authorize. So this I'm gonna click, it's gonna authorize, redirect me to callback, and then it's gonna go back here. I need to change that. So this is now local host. Is it? Hello, Clonk. It is me, Venrak. You may have remembered me from your chat. I am currently making some sort of Spotify overlay. So it's just gonna show the current playback of the song, and in the future when I get like rewards and everything, it's just gonna I'm gonna make it possible so people can add musics to the queue, skip musics they don't like, extra or anything like that. Basically, I'm just right now I'm trying to understand the truth, the Spotify API. So now I'm having problems with the redirect URLs and things. um. So yes, this is authorize, and then it's all gonna come back here. And yeah, token, and then here I get the token. So I get request. I don't know. I don't know how to name my things. And it's just gonna return JSON with the token. Okay. So I'm in server. I need to. I'm in the right place. Am I? No. Stream tools, server. Ruby. Well, I'm just gonna ball it. Oh, but this isn't gonna work. Okay. I'm just gonna go to the dashboard, 2 seconds, Spotify dashboard, because I need to specify in advance what my redirect URLs are gonna be. This is not convenient. Yeah. It is hard to name things specifically. It's especially when you have like a big ass programs. Like I remember when I was doing robots in a class, so it's Arduinos, and I just couldn't find names for my things. I would just end up naming things like variants, and it was messy. Yeah, having fun with the names. So localhost 5557 at token and callback. Okay, so now I didn't save. I always forget. Okay, so token and callback. Maybe that's why it didn't work earlier. I just forgot to save. Okay. Let's try again. No, wait. Oh, this is breaking my brain. Okay, so this is not gonna be localhost. Yeah, function. I never did that, a function named this long. I tried to make it short. Even if I have the autocomplete, it's a bit of like, I think it's ugly having long ass names for the functions. It's it's not like, especially when it's I think it's camel case, the one like that. So this, if you have a long ass name, it's not easy to read. But if you have a long plan on making long names, like oh shit, I would do something like this. So it is the snake case. So if I plan to make big names, I will take the snake case. It's more readable in my taste. Okay. Yeah, it's just naming function random ass names. Like ugly ass function, and it does the biggest thing in the program. Yeah, obviously you wouldn't like do a crazy name if it was like in a work environment because then people just, I mean, you don't care if they judge you, but it's not, it's just not easy to debug or something. Oh yeah, it's a little tools that just makes random ass names for your functions, and then when you have like 40 functions, you're like, what is the name of that one? You don't even remember what you wrote because yeah, death, killing, turtle. It's just Prince. You're dumb. That's it. That's all it does. And it just calls it. Okay, back to business. So this is not something the Spotify is gonna use. This is what is gonna redirect to me. So I want the address of my server here. So on my network, it's this. That's what I want. So it's not localhost because then localhost would be my Windows machine, and I don't have a server on that one. Oh, I need to change again in the dashboard. I'm just not gonna erase the other ones. I'm just gonna add this one. Okay. Dashboard, edit this one and token. Okay. Is it gonna work? I wonder. Okay, so it started the server, and this is the address. Missing parameter, client ID. Oh yeah. Okay. A brief blindness moment, people. uh, like this, just so you don't see my private strings. Okay, so secret and secret. Spotify keys like that. Just copy, close, and then you can again see what I'm doing. Let's try this again. Okay. I really like having just a quick macro on my keyboard, clear just to clear the terminal. I was just finding myself always clearing the terminal, and I was like, why don't I do a macro for that? I was losing so much time. What is it saying? It's missing it again. Oh, I know why. Do I know why? Yes, I know why. So I'm not even okay. We require Sinatra. Require it's what is it? Faraday? Wait, what's it? Okay. I'm just gonna require relative, and then I get my secret. .rb, because all my passwords are in that. This should be working at last. Invalid URL. Nice. Nice. Really nice. Oh. Okay. Um, I still haven't figured out why my thing didn't work. Okay, this is. I'm just gonna hide it since it's not gonna work anymore. Okay, so invalid URL. Um, HTTP this. Do I need it to be an actual uh address, like an online address or something? Like it's not like they're verifying. Why would they be verifying if it's an actual URL address? Because I don't want to expose those endpoints to everyone like on my server. I just want it for myself. Yeah, like it is a good idea for missing your coda. Because shouldn't it just be something that, so it says like redirect, so it's gonna be a, they just do a window oh yeah, is it, does it HTTP 1 and 2 once, is it that? Ping 192.1. I swear it's this. It is. But then why? 5557. I don't know. Can start this. Uh, mysteries. It's 5. Why? So I bind it to the network, so I should be able to access it from everywhere. Oh, thank you, Appy Peach, for the raid. Welcome. I'm currently trying to figure out how the authentication protocol works with the Spotify API. So this, it's not gonna work for a while. You're not gonna be there and just see it come alive while you're there. Yeah, it's gonna take a while, I guess. So, what were you doing, Happy Peach? I gotta ask that when someone rates. Yeah, thank you. I made it myself in Goda. It's it's moving with face tracking software made by myself too. So that the mouth is an equalizer and the eyes should be eye tracking. Haskell. I don't even know what Haskell looks like. I know Klaus loves Haskell, but I don't think I've ever seen him program in Haskell. So, but what were you doing concretely, like in Haskell? Okay, so you were learning Haskell. I was going through a textbook for the last 2 weeks, but gonna start. That's cool. Good luck on that. I don't think I would even attempt to try to learn Haskell. That's really cool. Currently, I only know. So I'm currently doing a. So it's not like a computer science diploma, but it's something like it. It's more programming than computer science directly. Uh, yeah, you took college classes. Yeah, code should be a thing that most people learn. So even if you're not going to be a programmer, it's always useful to know a bit. So you know how, or you can know how parts of thing work on the internet and application and such. So even learning basic Python could help you. I mean, in everyday life, with I don't know, if you want to automate your house or something. But yeah, I'm doing a programming diploma. It's but yeah, no computer science. So I don't we don't learn like ON or something like that. ON2 or we don't learn we learn languages and methods to how to program, but we don't necessarily get learn advanced stuff. So yeah, I learned Ruby, C Sharp, C++, PHP. I don't know why they make us learn PHP, honestly. Yeah, so I live in Canada, so it's a 3-year degree, uh, and my last year is coming up in a few months, and then normally people would take the university course. It's 3 years, and yeah, it's 3 years. But then I'm in college, so it's a three year. It's called a technic, so it's more a professional degree. And then after that, because I have this degree, my time at the university is going to be cut by 1 year, so it's going to be 2 years at university to get more of an advanced knowledge. uh so there's different branches, so I don't know, data science, games, AI and such, and you choose courses that fits your preferences. But I still don't know what I'm gonna do as like my specialty. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm making friends and everything. I need to figure out how this works. So if I do this on my browser, can I go to it? I can, but I can't. What doesn't it? So if I do requests and wait, no, I don't want requests. I want. Am I doing requests? Is that why it's no? It's I'm not doing this. Yeah, good sleep, Happy Peach. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for everyone for coming in. This is of course my first stream, and I'm a bit stressed. Thank you for chatting. So why? So you see here, I ask for the token endpoint in my browser, and then server error. Oh wait, but yes, it's a get. Is it doing a post here? It is. Is it? Because if there is a body, it should be a post, right? Or am I dumb? Request. So this I'm putting here token, and on success the response will have a I'm confused. But this is not where it doesn't work. It's in request. It doesn't want this. Because look, I'm just gonna this one. And then browser come here. Okay. So it's basically saying no, where is it? I'm just going to do it again. So it's saying it's invalid redirect URI. So basically what I get from that is that I didn't specify it in the dashboard. So here. But wait, didn't I change it earlier? Fucking hell. Did I forget to save again? I think I forgot to save again. Okay. Let's try it again. Shall we? Again and again and again until it works. Yes. It did something. It did something, people. Okay, why am I printing the whole thing? Where am I doing this? Where am I doing? Oh, here, callback. Okay, so now if I do, I'm just not gonna show it, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. I'm gonna check if I get the token from this if I ask for it via the request route here. You don't see my cursor. Why? Here, this one. No, it doesn't work. So you see token null. So where? Oh, I'm doing nothing with it. I'm so dumb. Wait, why am I doing that? No. Token. Here, token. Okay, let's. Okay, so it's here that I get the things. It's not a token here. It's in the body of the response. So What does this do? I I don't understand. I'm just gonna copy that here. So it's no, I don't need this. And then like this. So now let's try this again. It was received, people. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Wequist? Wequist? It didn't work. Again, it didn't work. So now I should print it, because why didn't I do it in the first case? And then after that, I'm gonna if it still doesn't work, I'm gonna look again at the docs. I don't want to. Token received. I'm gonna hide it again. Wait, what do I... No, okay. Here. Unsupported grant type parameter is missing? But wait, what? Okay, so grant type authorization code. Am I dumb? Body. Does it not need to be in JSON? It should. Does it not? But here it says JSON true. It should be in JSON. I mean, it's not like this is text. If the user accepted your request, then your app is ready to exchange the authorization code. The body of this post request must contain the following parameters encoded in application X form URL encoded. It's time for a bit of Copilot magic, I think. I'm a coward. I'm not a real programmer. I see. This... Okay, let's try that. Why not? Body encoded. Spotify token received. Invalid client. Am I never gonna get this? Body encoded. Spotify client secret. Just gonna see something. Okay. I'm gonna get it someday. So, let's go about it. Grant type. Authorization code. This is done. code, the authorization code returned from the previous. That's what I'm doing. Get Spotify code. Yes, this is what I'm doing. After that, redirect URI. This parameter is used for validation only. There is no actual my English. Redirection. The value of this parameter must exactly match the value of redirect URI. Oh. Wait. This is dumb. Is it? Is that it? No. Invalid client. But, okay. The header must include the following HTTP headers. So that's the client. It says invalid client, so I guess it's here and on this line 79. I somehow didn't get things right, I guess. So base 64 encoded. That's what I did. Base 64 strict encode 64. The string that contains the client ID, Spotify client ID, Spotify, and Spotify secret key. The field must have the. Fucking hate myself. I needed the basic thing. I think. I hope it's that. Finally. Okay. Business is booming, people. We are finally done with the authentication. Yes. Now, if I do something like not 16 at 5557 and request, and I don't show you because you're gonna get the token. Yes. Okay. So what I should do now is a thread to refresh the token when it's done. So I'm just gonna take the same thing from I did the same thing with the Twitch API. Oh, my OBS is dumb. Okay. So I did the same thing. So basically I started thread just only for refreshing. I know there's other ways, but this is the easiest. I loop every 60 seconds and I compare if it's been a certain time, and I refresh basically the token. So I'm just gonna get that. Bam. And I copy it here. Okay, so loop do absolute time. I need, do I have absolute time? I don't. Just gonna here, yoink. like that. Um, I need the last refresh too. So last refresh here is equal to time now. And then refresh access. I need to do that. With your love, can't you see I'm burning up, baby? No, where is it? It's how to's this no consets access token. Yes, but no. How do I refresh? Refresh. Do I get a refresh? Refresh? Yes, I get a refresh token. How do I refresh? How? Refresh token guide. This is what I want. Okay, so I get this right now. This is what I get. How do I refresh? So, define refresh access. Yes, thank you. No. Okay, so this is a post to what? To API token? Oh, it's okay. I just changed the grant die. Okay. So, body like that, but mm, yes, I guess this is gonna be. I guess this is again gonna be encoded in this manner. I hope it's the same thing everywhere. They're constant. It needs to be consistent. Okay, so response is equals to Spotify Archer. Yes. Post at API token body encoded. Request. Why do I need headers? Okay, I'm just gonna remove the things I don't want. So I don't want this. I don't want this. And I got this. So this is good. And oh, I needed the authorization. And the grant type. Okay. Request. Authorization basic. And just like last time, basically. And this time we don't forget the basic. Okay. In the body. So grant type refresh token. Refresh token is equal to the refresh token. And what is this? Only required for the PKCE extension. What is that? It's recommended authorization flow if you're implementing authorize in a mobile app. That's not what I'm doing. So I'm good, I guess. Okay, let's try that. And I get okay. Then I guess I guess it's again Jason. I hope so. Not something crazy. So token. He knows what I want. Refresh token equals to refresh token. Scope, I don't care. Okay. I should add some type of verification. So if response status isn't 200, so QSS it's always 200. So if it's not 200, I'm just gonna say uh print response status and just gonna break. Can I do that? Hope I can. Right here. Okay, so this should be better. Safer code, at least. So it should work. Yeah, I can't test it, but it should work. So I'm just gonna close that. And yeah. Um I'm gonna do a bit a little bit a tiny bit to secure my things more. Just wait a few seconds. Just gonna hide it. This is gonna be a lightning fast. Watch me go. Wait, what? I'm confused. Oh, fuck. Tell me I didn't commit to the git with that. Oh, I'm gonna have to change it. Okay. Let's not panic. It's not a. I'm still okay. They're not in my personal network, so I'm okay. So it's Spotify safety string. And the other one is Twitch safety string. Okay. I'm just gonna get it from here. I'm you're blind right now. I know. It's not gonna be long. I'm sorry. Okay. This should be good. So here, if exactly he knows me, he knows what I want. And no, else. Good try, buddy. Good try, buddy. It didn't work. Oh, okay. So now it's getting into the juicy part because we're not gonna do actual request to the Spotify API. Okay. Can I get back this? Okay. So now I'm gonna connect this part to my server. So, I can get rid of all of this. This. I don't need that. I need the token. I don't need this. I don't need Sinatra, Webrick, Rackup. Why do I have Sinatra 2 times? Okay, like that. A little bit lighter code. Okay, so now, this is gonna be define get. Wait, how did I do it in the Twitch? Get access. Okay. All right. Okay, so I still have the token. And do I have a thread to... Yes, I do. Okay. I forgot. This is 3,000. Okay, so get access, I guess. And oh. So it's gonna be like that. Up. Wait. Okay. Like that. Okay. So this is token with $1. So rep token. This is good, but I need to do this. So my server. What is my server? It's not this one. Definitely. I should put the Twitch and the Spotify on the same program so they get the same port. It's gonna be easier. So further new is this, but it's 5557. So my server get request. This. Okay. And then hop here, copy that. I said at the beginning, it's gonna be a lot of copying. So here is 3,000 and get access. Okay. This is good. Let's get things done, gentlemen. Okay. So I don't think I need this anymore. So I just need to run it. Ruby. I'm gonna run it in the Tmux, I guess. It's gonna be CD server, CD stream tools. Then it's server again. Big clear. Ruby. Spotify. Grr. And 95. What? Oh, it can't be. Okay, then I'm gonna do else. It's all here, but and there. So I remove this. Else. I move this and end like that. Gonna be IP. Oh, sudo gem means wait. Uninitialize absolute time. I did it. Absolute time is there. Time? Is that now what I don't know. Okay. Okay. Right. It's in. Oh, this is shitty. I just noticed. I fucking hate demugs. Ah. How do we do this? Okay. Then just for the purpose of it, I'm just gonna do it here. Okay. So I should be able to close this. I'm just gonna last verify that I get the yes, okay. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna show the browser here and move the code here. Okay, we're so back. Like they say in the domain, we're so back. Okay, this can go, and then. So this is, okay, we're at the right place. We can close that. Okay. Just gonna do a line here. And we're gonna separate this too. Okay, like these are the functions. Okay, so define get. Am I doing camel case or snake case? I'm doing both. We don't care. So fucking back, Daiamichi. So fucking back. We can finally do the thing we wanted to do. Get some kind of information from Spotify. Not just hate and hatred. So, I'm doing a mix of camel case and snake case, and we don't care. I don't fucking care. Snake case, camel case, snake case. So it's like salad. You get everything. So def get playback state. Okay, so I want the player get playback state. Okay. So I need authorization scope. I need user read playback state. Wait, what? Did I get that earlier? Fucking voice crack I just got. I don't know if I got that. I'm gonna I don't want to. Like I'm gonna check real quick. It's gonna be fast. Fast. So I'm just gonna check if I got the right scopes earlier. If not, I have to restart everything again. Okay. Grant Grant. Where are those? Uh, this is the one. App remote control. User read plan. No, I didn't get it. Why did it? Okay. Read currently playing. Isn't that all the same thing? Read access to a user's currently playing content. Write access to a user's play. What's the difference between the playback and the currently playing? I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna do this one. So stream tools again, server, Ruby, Spotify. Open. Yes, this is me. Okay. So it should be good. I'm not gonna close it because I don't. Okay. So get playback state. Normally I should have this code now. So response is equals to Spotify API dot get not v1. Is it? We're gonna see request sample is v1. Yeah, it's why the okay. So here it's v1 me player, but here it's me player. Yes, sir. We love docs. Okay. 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 What does it look like? So URL and so it's a get and do request request headers yeah that and so it's only that, right? What do I get back from this? I get a lot. Why do I get so many things? This is all the response. All right. So menu. How are we going? Okay, so get playback state. Can remove all those when one. It's get playback state. That's the only thing it's gonna do for now. Okay. Ruby, Spotify, CLI. I get only one choice. Only valid bearer authentication supported. Okay. What didn't I? Okay. I know why. I didn't get access. Like that. Up. Why? Did you get the thing? Oh, I got an error on the server side. There. So you see, I got an error. Absolute time now. So I guess I don't have it. I do have it. But why did I get this error everywhere? So it's, where is it? 127? It looks like it's only that. So it just crashed? Is that it? Okay. Why? Okay. If uh, uh token nil like that. I don't want to exit. Oh right. Let's not do the clear, I guess, so we can see what we're doing. Error getting token. Why? Okay. Like that. History request. Here I get it. This is the one I wanted. Fucking hell. Okay. Um. Okay, so secret. Okay. Okay. So this should be right. Should be the same. Because it's, this is the same thing as this. So if this is not, no, that's not what I want. Wait, this is what I want. Fucking dumbass. Okay, I shouldn't trust fucking Copilot each time. He made a big mistake right there. I'm just blindly just tab, add whatever you want. Just do it. Just do it. I just, okay, no, I'm okay. Okay, let's try that again. Here? Aha. Aha. Get playback state. Aha. Okay, so what is that playback? Oh my god. What is all this mess? Okay. Device. This is my device ID. It is active. I'm listening to something, I guess. It's not a private session. This is the name of my PC. Type computer volume. I can know the volume percent. How much information does this give me? So this is my playlist, I guess. Or is it? Yeah, no, I can't. Okay. This is my progress in milliseconds. Damn. Okay, so with this I can get, I can just like, I guess I can call this function each seconds. Or so I have to decide if it's always showing on screen or not. I don't know if it should be showing always, or if it should be like a pop-up, like you do a comment and it just pops up on the screen. Because if it pops up on the screen, like it's not always there, I don't have to call it every second. I have to call it every second when it is displayed. But I don't know what's the max request of the API. I should look into that. Like if I can't call it like once per second, it's obviously not gonna be that. Like I could do it so it just shows up at each start of a new song. So when a music starts, it just pops up for a few seconds. It shows it shows the seconds like in the song, and yeah, it just disappears like after 5 seconds. And after that, if you want to get the like you forgot, you can just type a command and it shows up again. I can do that. It makes more sense. So then it's not always in the way. So now I need to know if so concept API calls. Oh no, it's the quota, I think. Is in the quota. So it's in concepts and quote. No, I forgot again. This is concepts and rate limits. Okay, this is it. In a period of time, then it may receive it. Yeah, I don't want that. By the way, I don't get that. Spotify API rate limit is calculated based on the number of calls that your app makes to Spotify in a rolling 30-second window. If your app exceeds the rate limit for your app, then you'll begin to see 429 errors responses. So it's not a fixed rate limit. So then how do I get my rate limit? This is not very precise. Uh, maybe I can see in the dashboard. Okay. Dashboard. User, no, extent. No, I don't see it. Rate limit for the Spotify API. Yeah, I just got there. I wanted the real number. Solved. Web API rate limit. Yes. Which rate limit currently applies on for authorized user? Okay, so they don't have a number. They just don't know themselves. They're just like, you do what you want, but sometime, I'm at night, there's gonna be too much requests. You don't know when, but it's gonna happen. The rolling 30-second window. This is so dumb. So I don't even know if... What's the limit? No way I can get the image of that. This is cool. So I get the image too in the same request. I don't even need to do a request for the info of the music. And I get multiple sizes. This is cool. Really cool. Okay. What is this? Available markets. So this is all the countries where it's available. Disc number, duration. This is cool. I have to... Okay. So let's presume I can do at least one request per second. I'm gonna presume that. Because there's no way of knowing. So now I want to know if I can add item to the playback. This is cool. So someone only needs to supply me with the link to the song, like a share link, and then I can just add it to the queue. This is cool. Okay. Oh, I could also do like no, that's no, I won't do that. I was gonna say like I could do an automatic like sound dim for when I start a stream. Like I can get set playback volume, so I could just do each second decrease it, but I don't want to do that. I'm afraid it's gonna do the request too many requests. What is seek to position? So, okay, I have to concentrate. Okay. So I want what I want. I want water. That's what I want. Okay. Is Jake? I wanted to do raid Jake. Is he still alive? He is. Okay. Can you sing Katanaiju? Okay. I'm gonna continue for a bit, and I'm gonna stop in a bit. Okay. So I can get the playback state. So Spotify item album, no. Okay. Timestamp. That's not what I want. I want the time of how long the song is and what timestamp I am in the song. That's what I want. So okay, maybe this can be better to so no, I don't want the device. I don't want this. When Playback state was last change. Okay, that's not what I want. Progress. Yes. Track. Duration. Okay. So this is there. Okay. So I'm just, I don't know, I'm gonna do some sick thing in the terminal for now. Like a display, a playback display. Playback display. So it's gonna be current time, total time. And I'm just gonna remove that for now. Okay. So I'm gonna start by getting the current time is equal to it is progress millisecond. So here equal to rep program. He knows. Copilot knows. He knows shit. I don't. He knows shit I don't. Album available? No. Maybe it's gonna be easier to read here. No track. Duration. This is what I want. So where is duration? It's an item. Okay. Total time is fucking hell. So an item, and it is duration millisecond. So now I should do like that. So each time I system clear, I'm gonna do something, you know, pretty as fuck. It's gonna be pretty. Okay, so it's gonna do print. It's gonna do something like that. Then it's gonna do, okay. So I'm gonna do something like, okay, so it's total time divided by the number of segments. So, nums segments. Segments. Okay. So this is gonna give segment time. Num segment is equal to 20. That's what I wanted. He knows, he reads in my head. Okay, so the current time divided by the segment time. So this is gonna be this okay, so it's who oh I know. Just I'm gonna do it another way. So I'm gonna get the percentage of the no, that's not. I think it's paint time. It's a paint moment to do this. This is a paint moment. Paint. Give me paint. Why can't I see paint? This is bullshit. I can't see paint. Hello? Is someone... Paint! Paint! Please help me! Why? Why? Okay, fuck this. Uh, uh, remove. Remove this. Maybe paint is a game. Wait, what? Paint? Can you change how it's can you change how it's captured? Then I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Other solution. Quick paint online. Yes, this works. Solutions. We got it. Okay. So I have current time on total time. So current time on total time. It and I want on 20. I want on 20. No, this is not 20. This is number of segments. This is gonna give me the number of segments to print. So total segments. I needed all of this paint for this fucking thing. It equals 2. Current time by a number of segments multiplied by total time. I think. And then it's no, I don't do y. Just do print this. Yes, this is what I want. And then print this. Is this gonna work? This is jank. Let's go. But then I need to loop. How do I loop? I know. I'm just gonna start a thread. This is the end of the stream. I do what I want. Thread start do yes, this is what I want. No. Am I done with the music? This doesn't work. Why? Okay. Okay. Um, print total segments. Wait. Just end that. Ooh. Do get playback state. I don't need that. What the hell? Oh, wait. Current time? Am I dumb? This is duration milliseconds. Integer, yes. Progress minute. Duration millisecond. Yes. This should be the right thing. Okay. Why is that not right? My calculations are really complicated. Why don't they work? It should be like this. Current time. Oh. I'm so dumb. Okay. System clear. No. Time. Current time times number of segments divided by total time should give me the number of segments. Or I'm completely done. Total seg. Oh, I know why. It's because I'm dumb again. It's because it's this, but then uh, it's this. No, it's total segments. No, he was right. Do print void end. Yes! But wait. Yeah, like that. There. I get playback state in the terminal, but this is temporary. I could display the time below and then the title and it's gonna be cool when it's done. So, how do you say we raid? Jake. Yeah, let's raid Jake. I'm sick of this. Let's do it. Oh, but my thing's the... Wait. I need to fix this. No. No, no, not that. Ruby CLI. Undef... What? It says there's an error here. Me ID. Get Twitch user. What the hell? What? Wait. Okay. I'm a professional. Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay, I think the problem is in here. It's Tmux A, and then I just big, close. I hate Tmux. I said it earlier. I still hate it. I know there's a way to, like, we're gonna get it. Someday, I'm gonna get something done. There we go. Jake, create. If you want to know, I'm trying to launch the raid from my terminal. That's why I'm struggling. Yes, okay. I hope this is gonna work. Create raid, Jake creates stuff. Oh, goodbye everyone. This has been a good time. Thank you for coming. This is a short leave. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you for coming, Taimichi. Thank you. It's always more fun to have people with me, and I hope I wasn't too boring. And yeah, until next time, goodbye.